Hey. I know, you want that phone. If everybody can see, there's a phone laying right here. And it is like, I don't know, what's the word? The Holy Grail, the one thing he wants that he can't have. Oh, yeah, is that fun? Oh, good job. Good throw. Uh-huh. Oh, that's a good one. Uh-huh. You're a good thrower. Oh, you want the other one this time? Good job. Say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Good throw, all the way over there. What do you do every time I stack box up? Wow, it's lasting for a long time. Oh, nice one, buddy. Is that just for Dad? Is that just for Dad? Is that in his honor? Really? Say da da da. Da da da.